Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Google Chat. Friends, Google Chat is a messenger which allow you to send individual messages and group messages. So to open Google Chat, you need to click on this Google app icon. Now here you need to scroll it little down and you will find Chat. Click on it. Now it will open the messenger and from here you can change the status, like you can set do not disturb, or you can also add a custom status. So to start a new chat, you need to click on new chat button. Here enter the email address of the person with whom you want to chat with. Now after entering the person ID, click on start chat. Now the chat window will open and here you need to type the message and click on this send button. You can also add emojis. And you can also upload your file from your device like computer or phone. So friends, like this you can very easily do an individual chat with someone using Google Chat. You can also make a group. So to make a group you need to click on new chat. Now here you need to add email IDs of all the person to make a group. Right now I am adding 2 email IDs to make a group. So after entering email IDs, click on this start chat button. Now it will create a group and from here you can type the message in the group, and to give name to this group you need to click on this small arrow and here you need to click on name this chat. Now give a name. And after giving name, click on save. Now the group name is changed. So friends, like this you can very easily use Google Chat. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.